nobody is taught how to actually get it. Most people wake up every morning, go to a job they hate, pay bills, sleep, and repeat the same cycle for years. And the saddest part? They think this is normal. A few years ago, a guy named Alex was living exactly like that. He worked hard every single day, but his bank account never changed. Every month felt like survival. One unexpected expense could destroy everything. Then one night, while scrolling online, he saw something that changed his life. A normal person was making money from YouTube and online business while sitting at home. At first, Alex didn't believe it. But curiosity made him start learning. 1 hour every night. That's all. Instead of wasting time scrolling social media, he learned skills that actually make money. Content creation, marketing, investing. And after months of failure, he finally made his first $20 online. Most people would laugh at that amount. But for Alex, it was proof. Proof that money could come from somewhere other than a job. And that's when everything changed. Because financial freedom is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about building income that works even when you don't. Most people only have one income source. That's dangerous. If the job disappears, everything disappears. But financially free people build assets. Online businesses. Investments. Skills. Content. Things that continue paying them again and again. Slowly, Alex's side income started growing. $100, $500, then thousands every month. Not instantly, not magically, but consistently. And one day, his online income became bigger than his salary. For the first time in his life, he felt free. No fear, no stress, no boss controlling his future. That's the real meaning of financial freedom. Not showing off luxury cars online. Peace of mind. Control over your life. So if you want the fastest path to financial freedom, learn high-income skills. Stop wasting money trying to impress people. Invest every month, even if it's small. And protect your focus from distractions. Because your future depends on what you do daily. 5 years from now, you can either regret wasting time or thank yourself for starting today. If this video inspired you, comment freedom below. Like, share, and subscribe to my Zero to Profit channel for more videos about success, money, and building the life you truly want.